When securing inner duct with two-hole straps, there are several key spacing considerations. The first clamp should be positioned approximately 6 inches or 15 centimeters from the mounting box. For the spacing of securing clamps on the main run, it is recommended to place them every 3 feet or 90 centimeters when the duct is running along studs. If the duct is running along joists, the spacing can be increased to 6 feet or 180 centimeters. These measurements help ensure that the inner duct is properly supported and protected. Now, let's discuss the size of the entrance hole needed to properly fill around the duct with fireproof caulk. For a 3/4 inch or 1.9 centimeter Resi-gard duct, a 1-1/4 inch or 3.2 centimeter hole is generally required. This allows for sufficient space to apply the fireproof caulk and create a proper seal. Here are the installation instructions. Firstly, cut the Resi-gard duct to the desired length. Secondly, drill a 1-1/4 inch or 3.2 centimeter hole in the mounting box and the tooksvers where the duct will pass through. Thirdly, insert the duct through the holes and secure it with the first two-hole strap, 6 inches or 15 centimeters from the mounting box. Fourthly, continue running the duct and secure it with two-hole straps every 3 feet or 90 centimeters on studs and 6 feet or 180 centimeters on joists. Fifthly, fill the entrance hole around the duct with a fireproof caulk. Sixthly, allow the caulk to cure before running cables through the duct. By following these steps, the inner duct will be securely installed and properly sealed against fire hazards.